Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete process to delete images from your ChatGPT image library. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app or website and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner. Here you'll see the menu icon. Click on it to open the navigation panel. From the menu, find and select the Images option. This will open your image library, where all of your generated images are stored. Now, scroll through the library and open the image that you want to delete. After the image opens, look at the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From the available options, select Open in Chat. Once the chat opens, click the three-dot menu again. You will now see the option to delete the chat. Note that this will delete your open chat and all the images in it. You cannot delete a single image from ChatGPT chat. The image will be removed from your ChatGPT, and that's how you can quickly delete images from your ChatGPT library in just a few simple steps. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to ClickFix Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.